In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw from Trust Wallet to bank account. Let's get started. First, launch your Trust Wallet and then navigate to the swap page. It's usually easiest to withdraw using Ethereum or Bitcoin. If your funds are in another token, use the swap feature at the bottom to convert them into Ethereum or Bitcoin. To move your crypto to bank account, you will need an exchange. I recommend using Coinbase. Download Coinbase from the App Store or Play Store. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once inside Coinbase, tap Transfer, then Receive Crypto. Choose the coin you are sending, for example, Ethereum. Copy the wallet address shown. Now return to Trust Wallet. Make sure your crypto is on the Ethereum network. Tap Send, choose Ethereum and paste in the address you copied from Coinbase. Enter the amount. Double check the address carefully. Sending to the wrong one means your fund could be lost. Tap Confirm and wait a few minutes for the transfer to arrive in Coinbase. Once Ethereum arrives, tap Buy and Sell at the bottom. Choose Sell Crypto for cash. Select Ethereum. Enter the amount or select Sell All. Choose your wallet currency, in my case, GBP wallet. Tap Sell Now to confirm. After selling, the cash will appear in your Coinbase wallet to move it to your bank. Tap Transfer at the bottom right. Select Withdraw Cash. Choose the wallet like GBP, USD or EUR. Pick your linked bank account or add a new one if needed. Tap Max. Then tap Preview. Finally press Withdraw Now and that's it. The funds will be sent straight to your bank account. And that's how you can withdraw from Trust Wallet to your bank account using Coinbase. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.